doing?
Be nice. I hear you. I hear you. And that's not my problem. It's not about to be my problem either. No, don't talk over me. Not cool, Gerb. No.
You're okay. No. Are you mad at me? Okay.
Espaço, espaço, mês, espaço, 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 2 horas, espaço, espaço.
Sai daí, guria.
Shit.
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
Did you just eat a bug?
A lie has no legs. What a bad liar.
Oh, okay.
Come on, I'm going out now. Can you go downstairs? Come on. Get off the bed. I need to go.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
Grabs her by the neck and just drags her away.
Hitting means kissing in cat's language. Let's believe that.
Asper. Hi. Are you ready for Friday?
Hey, mommy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Hi. Hi.
Like clockwork. Seriously, what? Get over here.
It feels so like talking to a wall or something similar. Better not arguing with Dad.
Let it cool down. I know. Let it cool down. There goes the whole gang.
What? Oh. Okay.
Oh, so we finally have a cat that sleeps in a healthy pattern here.
Oh, see, Dad, he's really sleepy.
Yeah, big stretches.
We gotta get going, huh? Okay. All right, come on, let's go.
What's the difference between a joke and a big dick? You can't take a joke.
What do you call a chicken staring at lettuce? Chicken sees a salad!
Pulp, pulp.
Never challenge your kitty in love because her jealousy is great.
Başa döndük yine şıpıdık.
Oh, belly shot. Belly shot, belly shot, belly shot, belly shot, belly shot. Oh! Ow!
Chill out, buddy. Your owner is just taking shower. It's not that dangerous.
Come here. Come here. You mad at me? Fifi. Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Come here. Baby, you're fine.
Calma, despacho. Oh, boné.
Let me just give you a kiss. Kiss me. God damn it, Mochi. That's so rude.
Gordon, you have a while till dinner. No.
Tell me you love me. Tell me. Wow.
Why do you bite me all the time? What have I done? Really?
Okay, he needs another deal. He needs another deal. He doesn't like that
I'll
one.
give you some cat treats too. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Oh. What is it? Oh my goodness.
小，那挺cute哦。チューしよう。なんで？嫌なん？なっちゃん、チュー。
Yes, ma'am. You know you're not supposed to be in here. Hey.
As a kid, having his own room is like a dream. It's easy to understand why it is so curious.
Shy, when I say hey, you say hey. Hey!
Come here, Charlie.
And he's complaining about it to his mom.
Why are you on the candles? Are they your candles now?
You're getting a shower now. I'm gonna bathe you. You stink. You don't clean yourself right.
Oh, let's go.
You stop that. Ooh, can I get in here? Oh.
Chicken. You can't eat. You can't eat the dog food. Chicken. You can't. Give me it.
Yes. Yes, she has to go to school. Yes, she does. Yeah, I know you don't like it.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Oh, you poor guy. The hell are you doing? Look at
Get up here. Let's go. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. It is bedtime. You're sassy. You're really sassy.